In this tutorial, I demonstrate two essential beauty lighting setups, created in Set.a.Light 3D. Learn how to position lights and modifiers for smooth, flattering studio portraits, perfect for fashion and editorial work. In the first setup, we use 4 light sources: 1 reflector light, 1 beauty dish, 1 parabolic inverse, and 1 strip light. We start by setting up a reflector with a colored gel. It is aimed at the background, slightly to the side behind the model. We adjust the angle to create a soft gradient of light. Then we set up a strip light also behind the model, but on the other side. We adjust it so that it gently separates the figure from the background. Next, we move on to the main light, the beauty dish. We place it in front of the model and adjust it to achieve soft directional light on the face. After that, we add a parabolic inverse. It will work as a fill light. Its job is to soften the shadows and balance the overall light pattern. We check the overall setup and make adjustments. We make sure that the shadows on the face are not too sharp and harsh. During the shooting, we always work with the model. We choose the angle, move, adjust to achieve the desired lines of light. We look at the result. We analyze how the light falls, where the shadows appear. We experiment with the position of the sources, find the combination that suits you. So, our photo is ready. In the second scheme, we use 3 light sources, 2 reflector 23 lights, and 1 accent tube light. First, we install the reflectors behind the model, slightly to the side, and adjust their direction. These counter sources emphasize the shape of the head and visually separate the model from the background. Next, we work with the model. We look for the right angle and achieve the light lines we want to get. Then we install the main light, accent tube light, and adjust it for soft, enveloping lighting. We look at the result. We analyze how the light falls, where shadows appear. Experiment with the position of the sources. Try different options and choose the one you like the most. Our photo is ready. Share in the comments. Which scheme did you like more? And what would you like to see next? Subscribe. There are even more useful reviews on lighting ahead.